Hello, MVP. We have a huge update, one that's going to be awesome for us. It'll take out a step or two for both parents and coaches. The big one I'm going to show you on is the 2024 Indiana Swim Fest. You want to click meet, do this down arrow. Right now you can see I've committed Jazzy to the meet. You can switch to decline. Yes, she's or committed. Once they're committed, you can see all the events listed down here. Operate just like it normally would. The big one is this messages right here. So on the messages, you can say can swim, for an example, can only swim Friday and Saturday. If it's just a standard invitational meet, you can list like the events that they're trying to get divisional or state cuts in. Maybe for like our divisionals, you could say well, that's that note. You could say can do can swim relays. Put that on there, hit send. This will pop up on the coach's side for messages on that swimmer. So as we're doing entries, we will get both of these messages for your swimmer. So that is a huge update. There will be no more need for the daily commitment log. Everything is now on your registration. Please let me know if you have any questions.